Wells Fargo's chief strategist, Christopher Harvey, has a year-end target on the S&P 500 about 10% lower than where the S&P 500 is now. Tech stocks are too high. No matter how good the tech sector is, they just can't fight the force of people going out again. So these are just the negative headlines. Multiple market strategists are getting worried and believe all the good news could be priced in. That's a pretty scary headline, if you ask me. So here's how you deal with these headlines. Can I tell you what the market's going to do over the next 6 months? I have my hunches, I have my research, and I put it all together, and I can come up more or less where things will be, subject to change, because facts change. I change my mind. And as you get closer, it gets easier to forecast. And sometimes you're just wrong and you really have to do a full 180 in your forecast. You never have perfect aim. It's always just getting as close to the target as you can and keep trying to adjust. You deal with it by recognizing that you invest according to your time horizon, your financial goals. When we talk about time horizon, we mean how long is it until you need a portion of your money. So if your retirement is 20 years away, then your time horizon is conceivably long-term, but not as long-term as it used to be. And then you might be thinking, I need to move some of my money into cash. Or you have a child going to college, let's say in a year. In my opinion, that money should not be in the stock market. That should be in more stable investments like money markets, savings, CDs, cash equivalents. What you need to do is let your personal finance dictate how much cash, bonds, and stocks you should have. If you're an individual stock investor, you have an extra job to do because now you have to more or less determine if your individual stocks are fully played out, have more room to run. A strategy is more important than being right or wrong on your timing. Create a strategy, make it a process, trust the process, and surrender the outcome. The results will come down the road.